Hey guys, this is Shefali and
I'm Rimpy and hope you all are doing well.
so as we mentioned in our previous video how to clean any of your space, so here is our part of how we declutter our favorite space.
जो काफी टाइम से हमने किया नहीं था. And if you haven't watched our previous video, how to plan a week, then the link is in description below. So let's continue with the cleaning part.
They say a drunk mind speaks sober thoughts. So baby, what are you saying? Gotta tell me one thing. When you take them shots, but the next day you're just playing. Now baby, I don't need my time wasted. If you don't want me, then just say yes, instead of calling up my phone when you've been drinking all night long. You're gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. So drink it up. I wanna know what's on your mind. So drink it up. Want you to tell me that you're mine. So drink it up. Tell me you love me once again. So drink it up. I wanna know what you're thinking. So drink it up. So drink it up. So drink it up. So drink it up. You said you didn't mean it, that you went too far, tryna act like you forgot. You're acting like I'm crazy, like I made this up, but baby, I think not. All those late night conversations when you said you want my heart, and you think I'm so amazing. You don't like being apart. You told me you miss me and you need me, that you love more than my body. I caught you off guard, you falling real hard. Well, sorry, I'm not sorry. You're gonna act like you.
गाइस, हमने स्टार्ट तो कर लिया है ये करने के लिए, लेकिन अब कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या रखना है, क्या निकालना है, कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. ये शौक में स्टार्ट हो गया था और अभी कुछ नहीं पता. बट कल हमने स्टार्ट किया था और अभी थोड़ा सॉर्टेड है, तो अभी वापस स्टार्ट करते हैं रखना.
Tell me you love me once again. So drink it up. I wanna know what you're thinking. So drink it up. So drink it up. So drink it up. So drink it up. You gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. You gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. They say a drunk mind speaks sober thoughts. So baby, what are you saying? Gotta tell me one thing. When you take them shots, but the next day you're just playing. Now baby, I don't need my time wasted. If you don't want me, then just say yes, instead of calling.
और ये बैग्स की कलेक्शन देख करके मम्मी पक्का हमको कॉल करने वाली है कि ये क्या कर रखा है, क्योंकि बैग्स और नेल पॉलिश के लिए हमें स्ट्रिक्टली मना किया गया है कि हमें नहीं खरीदने, क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत सारे हैं. और मम्मी ये वीडियो देखेगी और हमें कॉल आएगा.
What's on your mind? So drink it up. Want you to tell me that you're mine. So drink it up. Tell me you love me once again. So drink it up. I wanna know what you're thinking. So drink it up. So drink it up. So drink it up. You're acting like I'm crazy, like I made this up, but baby, I think not. All those late night conversations when you said you want my heart, and you think I'm so amazing. You don't like being